Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Suthar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. In the previous tutorial, I have explained how to prepare a simple area chart. Today, in this tutorial, I will explain how to add more functionality to area chart, such as adding a secondary axis and use of it, and adding a legends and change the visualization. So let's move to the screen. So this is all about the basic area chart. Now we move to the build visual and we will add the secondary axis. So on the secondary axis, what I will do today, I will include the quantity into the second axis and we will see it. But instead of the sum of the quantity, I will just change it to the standard deviation. So it will be a little bit different and easy to see. So now we have included the two uh, we are trying to visualize two data into this chart. So one is the sum of gross income and second is the standard deviation of the quantity, and we are able to see the two lines instead of the one line. So when we include the two lines, both lines are having their own part, own area with the own colors, with the field own color. So like quantity is presenting the blue line and this is the purple line is presenting the gross income. On the secondary axis, the numbers range also different. It is start from 1 to 4 and on the parent y-axis is 0 to 400 and on the data point it will be the different as well. Let's move to some data point and we can see it. So this is the data point. The gross income is 93.45 but the standard deviation of quantity it is a 2.75. So both are available on the parallel chart and we can see it here. Now we move to the build visual and go to the secondary y-axis and we can see what we can do. So everything everything we can do on the y-axis, the same thing we can do on the secondary y-axis as well. We can give the minimum and maximum range. We can change the display unit, we can do the text formatting here as well, and we can change the title as well if we wanted to change. So our current title is standard deviation of the quantity. So I am fine with that. I will not change it here. That's all thing we can perform here. Now we move to the build visual, and I will remove the secondary axis and I will add the legend, and legend that I will add the gender. So gender I will drag and drop to the legend, and here also we can see our data has split into the two line. So one line is presenting the male gender value of the gross income of the male gender, and one line is presenting the value of the female gender. And here we can see the series title also changed from sum of gross income to now is changed to the male and female. So this dark blue line presenting the male value and light blue line is presenting the female value. And the filled area, it is filling the color according to the style. That's also for the legend level some configuration we can perform it by going to the format visual legend, and inside the legend, our current legend available on the top left, you can change it from wherever you want to keep, top center, top right, or anywhere. The style also here for other styles are available that you can perform whatever you wanted to change, line and marker or do something as your requirement. For the text formatting we can perform it here. So our current text is, let's make it bold, and current title is gender of the legend. That's I will let it be. I will not change it. But more thing I wanted to do is the cosmetic part of the complete chart area. So so this is, we have completed the configuration of the data level that we have given the data to this chart. Now we will decorate our complete chart, and to do so we will go to the general. In the general property, I will not do it here because property I have explained in previous tutorial. We can change the size of the chart and position. That's a same thing for all the charts. For the title, I will just change the title because my current title is sum of gross income by year, quarter, month, day, and gender. Instead of, I will just change it to gross income by year, not the quarter because we have included the month. So we can see month on the x-axis. Okay. Gross income by year, month and gender. So here our data available in the year, month and year, and gender, male and female. So we will just keep it. I will bring my title to the center. For the cosmetic part of the text formatting, you can we can perform it here by changing the font size, font color, that we can do it here. Subtitle I will not include today. I will include a divider to keep separate my title area and the chart area. For the spacing, I'm fine with today. I don't want to increase or decrease the space for the title area. So this is all the part of the title area. I will go to the effect. I will change the background to make it gray. Visual border, I will include the border and I will make the border rounded corner, and we can see here it's not, now it's a rounded corner. Shadow, I will include a shadow, and we can see the shadow is outside, and I will not change the color, but just for I will include it. So for the complete formatting, we can perform it here. We can change the effect like background, border and shadow. That's all we can do it here. And when I will click it outside somewhere, and here we can see our complete line area. Our complete area chart is ready. So this is all about the area chart. I hope you like the tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.